Up until now, we've been applying some simple formats to our text here, but let's really make our text stand out here. Because ideally, we have our lesson one, we have our lesson two. Let's go ahead and take a look at our lesson two here. So under lesson two, we have 4 objectives here. But we really want them to stand out, to make it clear that they're kind of, subtopics of lesson two. What we can do is we can apply either a bulleted or a numbered list here as well, which is our next objective. And notice I'm on my home tab here. And so what we'll talk about next is either using the bulleted list here or using a numbered list. Okay. And so we're talking about a ordered list is a numbered list and unordered list is a bulleted list. So if I was to just mouse over the bullet here, create a bulleted list, click the arrow to change the look of the bullet. So there's several bullet options here. If I click on the drop down, I can go ahead and express my bulleted list in circles, squares, special icons here, and things of that nature. So notice my last line there under lesson 2, applying borders and shading, because that's the line that I clicked on. It's going to apply it here. But what I want to do, I want to apply it to all of this here. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of this data. And this time I'm going to go up to my bulleted list here. If I just click here, it will give me the default, and that's fine. I can just go ahead and click. And notice how it changes. So now this entire section looks different. It's clear that this is lesson 2, and these are the objectives here for lesson number 2 as well. So we can go ahead and do the same thing for lesson 1. I'll go ahead and highlight these. This time I'll use a numbered list. So I'll go ahead and click on the numbers here, and it gives me 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now with the numbered list, if I were to press the enter key for the next line, it's going to prepare number 4 for me, like so. So now it's ready for me to enter number 4. I don't want that. I'm going to go back to my line above and press the delete key to remove that as well. We have to be very careful and kind of understand how it works here. So in these 2 examples, we selected text that already existed, and we just kind of converted them to either a numbered list or a bulleted list here. And we'll go ahead in a few, and we'll go ahead and create a small list from scratch just by inserting a list item. But what we can do right now, maybe we want to kind of change these bullets. It's as simple as highlighting the data and then clicking on the drop down for the bulleted list. What if we want to use arrows instead? And so it's giving us a nice preview of what it would look like. We can use check marks if we want to. I think I'll go ahead and stick to I'll use check marks for this one. And for my numbered list here, let's see, I'll go ahead and maybe I want this to be expressed in letters here. Maybe I'll do that. Okay, so we get A, B, C. Now we can also indent. So what if we had some specific information in terms of applying character formatting? If I press the tab key right here, now I have another submenu here as well. Okay. I can also interact with this by using the decrease indent or increase indent. So if I decrease it, it puts it back into the same hierarchy here. Okay. So when you're working with a list, you are working with a hierarchy here as well. Very good. So this time I'll go and I'll press my enter key, and notice I press enter. It's waiting for another entry here. I don't want an entry. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I can either press the enter key again, or I can just uncheck my bullet here. That will put me over there. I'll try to kind of move back over here as well. And this time what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I want to insert a list this time. So instead of using text and then converting it to a list, I want to go ahead and just build a list here. Now I have an option here. I can go ahead and build a multi-level list. Okay. So I can create a multi-level list to organize items or create an outline. So this is what it would look like. It shows you the indentations or the subcategories. So I'll go ahead and do that. Maybe I'll use this. I'll use this one, this A here. And so maybe I'll call this my shopping list. I'll press enter. And my shopping list consists of breakfast items. And it also consists of dinner items. So now I have my primary level, my secondary level, and now I want to include some breakfast items. So I'll press the enter key here, and I'll press the tab key to further indent this here. Here I'll just put eggs, and I'll put milk. Same thing for dinner. I'll press enter, and again you can use indent. You can either press the tab key or you can increase the indent over. It has the same effect here as well. And so for dinner, I'll grab some salmon and some wine. Very good. There we go. So it's a simple list. If we wanted to, we can convert this list as well. If we want to convert this, we can change it by just clicking here. We can make some changes to it. We want this to be changed to a bulleted list. We can do that as well. So we'll have different options here for the bulleted list. Or if you want another type of numerical list, we can do that as well. Very good. I'll go ahead and keep it that way. Shopping list looks pretty nice. I do need to grab some eggs anyway. So go ahead and convert those two sections to a numbered list, a bulleted list, and then go ahead and drop in your own shopping list. Pause this video, play around with those options, and then come right back.